Hey guys, during today's lesson we are going to be looking at how to add an hyperlink into our web page. Last lesson some of my pupils did struggle with this, so I want to go over it in a little bit more detail during this lesson. So what we're going to look at today is how to add a link underneath the picture to take me over to my YouTube channel, which is here. So when the user clicks the link, it automatically takes us straight over to the website of my YouTube channel. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some code of how to do that. First of all, one little bit of code that I've not shown you yet is something called a line break. What this will do is it will set a line after the image. So you can see the image here on the screen. If I put the link in without this, the link will appear directly with my image. So it'll be running parallel with the image. And I don't want that. I want the link to go underneath my image. So I put a BR there, which is a line break. Now what I'm going to do is add a tag called ahref. And what that does is that links up our page to another page that we want. So for example, I'm going to do ahref equals speech mark. I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel and get the link from that web page. So click once inside the address bar and it highlights the whole link. Then right click, copy, go back to your code and right click paste. There we go, there's the link. As you notice, the links are quite long, so you need to be really careful that you are going to be closing the tag as well. So to close the tag we use a speech mark and then we close the tag. Now what I need to do is this link, I don't want to use all of that text, I want to shorten it. So I could say click here for my YouTube channel. And then I'm going to close the A tag, like that. Now what you'll find is when I save the document, file and save, and then I save again by file save as, and I'm going to save that as a .html, which is a web page. So save, and then click yes, I want to save over it. Now, when I go to my web page and I refresh the page, there we go. So if I now go underneath, I will close my YouTube link down just for now, so you can see it definitely works. There we are. So as you can see, I've got my page. My name is Mr. Burge. I'm teaching web design. Above is a picture. Oh, it should be below rather, so I made an error there. I'll have to change that. Here I've got my YouTube link there. If I hover over my link, it does show me at the bottom, as you can see in the white little box, my YouTube link. So if I now click that, there we go, and it takes me directly to my YouTube channel, which is there. Now what I would recommend is, if you want to create more links, is just copy and paste the actual code. So copy it, right click, and then paste. Now what you'll need to do is, obviously you need to change the link of where you want it to go. So I could say, for example, let's go to Ashton Mersey Moodle. There we go, and just change the link. So in between those speech marks, delete all the text that you don't want and place in the link you do want. Now hit click here for my resources. There we go. As you know, if I actually do that, it's going to place this link directly next to this link, so it'll run here and here, and I don't want that, so I'm going to put another line break in. There we go. File and save. File and save as .html. Yes, I would like to save over that. Now I can refresh my web page, and hopefully we should have two links at the bottom. There we go.